Elastic Audio is an amazing feature in Pro Tools that's fairly new. It allows us to do advanced time compression and expansion in real time. It's fantastic for working with loops, correcting out-of-time audio, and of course for remixing. I know what you're thinking. Why wouldn't I just use Beat Detective? Well, while Beat Detective is great with drum parts like kicks and snares, where the transients are nice and spread out and easy to select and move around, Elastic Audio allows us to work polyphonic material with transients that are right on top of each other. Let's check it out. In this video, we're going to take a look at working with loops. In the next video, we'll take a look at correcting audio. And finally, we'll take a look at using it for remixing. Start out with a blank session with the tempo set to 120 BPM. Let's add some drums to the session. Open up the Workspace browser and locate some drum loops. I think I'm going to use this one here. Let's listen to it at its original tempo. I like it. Now let's listen to it at the session tempo. Click on the Audio Files Conform to Session Tempo button here. We also need to choose an algorithm to use. Let's select Rhythmic since this is a drum loop. Now hit Preview again. You'll see Pro Tools think for a second, but then a checkbox will appear showing that the loop has been warped to match the session, and it starts to play back. Let's add this file to the session. Drag it into the tracks list. A message comes up asking if we'd like to import the original tempo from the file. We of course don't want to do this because we want the loop to match the current tempo. So select Don't Import. There it is. Zooming in, we can see this little icon on the track showing that it's warped. The track also has Elastic Audio mode enabled. We can tell this because the Rhythmic plugin is selected down here and the little green light is on. We can change the tempo to anything we want and the drum loop will just follow along. Amazing, isn't it? Move ahead to the next chapter to take a look at correcting a piece of audio that's out of time.